Welcome, today I am with SONY Xperia Pro. It's probably the most advanced photography smartphone on the world, and I want to show you a couple camera tricks. Of course, we are going to focus on the basic mode, because when you are using this program auto, shutter speed priority, manual exposure, or this one, you know what you are doing, so we don't need this simple and basic tricks. Okay, so let's go forward. Let's focus on the main topic of this video. So as you can see, when we are in the camera application, we can use a couple of the options. The first one, when we tap right here, we are able to adjust the brightness level and the color temperature with these two sliders. You can adjust them however you want, and if you want to reset, just tap right here. To go back, tap on the X. Another option that we can find, it's the Bookie Level, so also with the slider we can adjust. When you click right here, you are able to activate few options. The first one, we got 3 or 10 seconds self timer. So when you pick the 3 seconds and tap on the shutter, after the 3 seconds, the photo will be taken. You can also switch off by tapping right here, and you can move for a series of the photos. We got two options, low and high. So when you pick low and click and hold the shutter, we will take a lot of photos, but we can switch to the high also. As you can see and as you can hear, we can take a lot of photos in a very short time. Okay, let's turn it off. In this place, we can turn on the torch. We can also enable the red eye reduction, the normal fill flashlight, and automatic flashlight, so you can decide which you want to get on your photo. By tapping right here, we are able to change the photo aspect ratio and the resolution also by choosing 3:2, 1:1, 16:9, and 4:3. And basically that's all from the standard options that you can find. You can also get focus, and by tapping on the screen, so we can select, for example, this guy right here, and you can also use the volume buttons. So when you click on the volume up, you can smoothly zoom in, and volume down to zoom out. You can also use these presets right here, so we can switch to the ultrawide lens, to the normal lens, and the telephoto lens, and you can also make it by pinching screen with your 2 fingers. Okay, so that's all from this available options right here, but right now we are going for the menu, and in the menu we can find other options, like for example, we can change the volume key option. So currently we use it to take a zoom, but we can also switch to the shutter, and right now, take a look, we can take photo by tapping on the volume up or down button, also with the shutter. And we got also this famous manual shutter that you can click and take photos. Okay, so honestly, that's all from the useful options that you can find in this phone. I mean, from the basic one, right? Because when you are familiar with the photography insights, you will get definitely more. I mean, you can use this phone in the more useful options that I show you, right? There's few programs that you can adjust all of the parameters that you can find. It looks like in the normal professional camera. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.